Hey guys, it's your friends, your brother JR Teodoro, and I just wanna, create this short video lang para wala lang. So, katapos ko na maligo, as you can see, papatuyo ko ng buhok. At habang nagpapatuyo ng buhok, I'm reading this book written by John C. Maxwell. And, wala lang, gusto ko na mag-share sa inyo itong sinulat niya or na-share niya sa book niya. And it goes like this. Once we make the decision to give of ourselves, God will provide the opportunity. So, isip ko nung ibig sabihin nun. And I came into parang example na alam mo yung kapag na-hire ka sa isang company, and then syempre meron tayong mga JDs na sinasabi job description or job duties, and sometimes your manager or your supervisor will ask you to do something against it or not according to your job duties. Kaya sometimes meron tayong attitudes na hindi ko trabaho yan or sometimes umaangal ka secretly at complain, basically complain. And I've been to that the same thing, kaya siguro yun ang pumasok sa isip ko. So ito nga, once we make the decision to give of ourselves, ibig sabihin nun kapag ginusto mo yung trabaho na yun and talagang ibinigay mo ang time mo, syempre gumigising tayo na maaga para pumunta sa company na yun para magtrabaho, tapos iba ang ipagagawa sa'yo, wag tayong parang umangal agad. Kasi the Lord directs our paths all the time. There's always a purpose in everything. First of all, hindi Bible ito pero I'm inserting some biblical knowledge as well. So dito sa sinulat or shinare ni John C. Maxwell, once we make the decision to give of ourselves, God will provide the opportunity. Ano nga ba yung mga opportunity na yun? It could be, good realization ng isang company na, oh shoot, this employee is very smart, very quick in learning new things, very patient, very professional, and he just or she just accepts new challenge in life, and that is the opportunity that might be given to you na, hey, come to a higher level of this company. So, ganun lang, naisip ko lang based on my personal experience. So, tayo mga Pilipino po, alam ko sometimes tayo egoistic, very egoistic, very yung parang tahimik tayo pero egoistic, may pagkayabang, lalo na kapag konting galaw lang ng isang fellow natin na hindi natin gusto, we judge them right away. That's not, kasi malay mo talagang they give themselves to do that thing and do their best. Hindi man standard mo kasi simple ka lang. Yung iba kasi talagang binigyan ng Lord ng talent to advance. So let's honor those guys. At doon naman sa mga binigyan ng talent, stay humble pa rin. Okay? Because God will give the opportunity to either put you high up and give you the opportunity to help others. So, yun lang po. Siguro sana na-encourage ko kayo dito sa Facebook sa sharing ko. And once again, I'm your friend, I'm your brother JR Teodoro. No one's perfect, I'm not perfect, but I do pray for you guys, for my friends and family. God bless you, and you have an awesome day. God bless.